We'll begin the closing stitch with the left side of the teddy's body. The maximum embroidery speed for this step is at 350 stitches per minute. When you reach the midpoint, stop the embroidery machine, cut the thread, and back it up about 10 steps. This gives us a precise starting point for the second half. Now it's time to tuck the ears, arms, and legs fully inside the body's stitch line. Make sure nothing is peeking out. Secure the back fabric in place using pins. Finish sewing the second half of the closing stitch. Be sure everything is secured, and take it slow for a clean finish. Once stitching is complete, remove the project from the hoop. Carefully cut around the edges, leaving a small seam allowance. Before turning your project right side out, take a moment to clip around the curves and into those narrow corners. This helps reduce bulk in the seams and allows for a smoother, more professional shape once it's turned. Turn your teddy right side out. Use a point turner or similar tool to shape the corners and curves. Stuff the body with toy filling. Adjust the shape as you go to get it nice and even. Hand stitch the turning gap closed using a ladder stitch. This gives your teddy a smooth, professional finish. Your soft, cuddly bunny is complete, ready to hug or gift.